Hi everyone! Today the new Vinylmation Classic series came out, so I'm going to do an unboxing. I only bought 12, but they gave me the case because I got 12 free under the big top as well, so I'm just going to unbox them for you. Let me try to do this. Here's what they look like. I'm hoping to get the chaser and quite a few others. Let's see what I get. I got him. I'm sorry if my phone doesn't focus very well. Giddy goat. Alright. Pig. He's cute. Look at the little tail, so cute. Alright, I got peg leg. I love him. He's this cute little pig. And he stands up. It even says a VM for Vinylmation underneath his peg. Pretty awesome. Okay, set this down. Go for the next one. Sorry for moving around so much. My camera, I was hoping it would just kind of stay in focus. Yes! Oswald. This is the chaser, and I really wanted him. Look at how awesome. I love him so much. Let's see what else I got. Yes! Awesome! I really wanted Mickey Mouse playing crazy. Isn't that adorable? Alright, so far I got 3 of my wants. I really wanted, well, I want all of them, but those ones especially. The next one. Right. Dippy dog. Awesome. Clarabelle cow. And she has a little tail. I'm just gonna leave that on for now though, so that her tail won't get damaged when I move her back. So far, so good. I got horse collar. So far, no duplicates. Wow. That's awesome. Let's see what else I got here. All right. Minnie Mouse. Oh my gosh, look it. I got Minnie Mouse. Okay, I got 3 more to go, people. So let's hope for some more good luck. All right, I love him. And he comes with his hat too. His little hat logo on his head. See? And I got 2. Playing crazy. Mickey with the hat. Okay. More luck, more luck, more luck. I'm making a mess with all these boxes up here. Oh, I got this guy again. The pig. He's cute with his cute little tail. Alright. Last one. By the way, these boxes are very nicely designed. I love them. So what we got for our last one. Oh, hey! I got Pluto. And he has a little tail. Huh. So I don't have... I don't know, who am I missing? Oh, I'm missing Goofy? Yeah, I'm missing Goofy. So here's all the awesome classics. Well, not all of them, but sorry that they don't have the accessories on them right now. But you get the idea. And awesome Oswald there. Definitely wanted him, one of my favorites. So, there you have it, folks. Classics. Alright, so here I actually got lucky and was able to get the entire set today. I went back into the Disney store, bought 2 more blind boxes, and I was able to get Donald. He is so cute. Look at, he looks so grumpy. And I got lucky because there was a guy in front of me who bought 1 blind box, and he got this Clara Cluck figure, and I was missing her, so he traded me a duplicate that I unboxed, which was the pig. I got another one of him, and so he liked him better and gave me the bird. That sounds funny. So I was able to complete my set. So thank you, kind gentleman at the Disney store, for trading me in line. This is one of my favorite series now. I really like the classic Disney. And you can see just their cute little tails. I put the accessories and their cute little hats on them. Goofy. Awesome Oswald. He's one of my favorites. So there you have it, the whole entire set of the Classics Vinylmation series. Here I've got a couple duplicates. I probably won't be trading my Mickey because he's my favorite, but I might trade the pig. His cute little tail. So if anyone might want to trade him, need some more Park 11s. Always need the Genie and Park 9 Phantom Manor if anyone might want to trade. So there you have it. I hope you like them too, and happy unboxing. I hope you all have good luck with these too. Alright, have a magical day. Bye-bye.